Well, hello there. Welcome back. Let's continue where we left. Let's continue the building. Right. You there and you there. Okay, that's that part. Then I had in mind this one there. Okay, first of all, we need to do a little bit more coding. We're going to go to silos first. So honestly, we can almost use this code. Shall we do from scratch? Do from scratch. So honestly, the logic memory request is going to be the same on D0. We're going to define silo. Then we need you again. I'll place you there. You and edit. So we need the silo. That one. That hash number. Alright. What we're going to do is loop. Then yield. And load into R0 from T0, it was connection 1. And channel 0 we'll be using. And we do honestly the same as the vending machine, so when not equal R0, and we're going to do call first. Oh yeah, we did branch not equal. And then an amount of jumps. I did 4, but I don't know. But when it's equal, it has to set the silo. Oh, wait, it is SBN. Silo. Name hash, so that is hash. Then a silo call. Open 1. Yield, because we cannot do request hash, we just do open. Yield, and then copy that line, only open is 0. And then also we are going to do that waiting code again for coffee mug. Then we're going to set channel 0. We're in the wait command. And yeah, that's it. I would say jump loop, but we have more silos. So, and we need to count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It needs to go 5. Yeah, we can copy this rule. Only now is going to be ores. We have also cobalts. And then let's grab the other one also. Oh, we have one more silo for now. And that is uranium. Not that we're really going to use it, but let's put it in the code. So this can be the same, almost the same rule. Yield. Well, we need to write yield correct. This is going to be cobalt. Copy this line, and we're going to say close silo. Then we need to say that it's on its way, so I say my wait command. And this we have to do one more time. For now, that it's going to be silo uranium yield. Gonna copy this line again, and we're going to say 0. And the wait command that's going to be it. Confirm. We need an IC chip. Export. So the logic memory request is on D0, so we issue that. That's the logic memory request. We can use the same memory and we can put it on. Alright, let's test it, if it works. I know that I have over here something like coal inside. Coal. Let's see if it works. I should now give me 1 coal and should be getting out of here. If not, then I have a slight idea what I'm doing wrong. I think I know what's going wrong. Alright, let's do that again. We need to reset you probably. Okay, let's test it again. Push the button. Oh! We're forgetting the same what we forgot last time. We need to name the silos. So I believe this one has coal. Yeah, this cobalt and it was uranium. So I forgot to say silo uranium, silo cobalt. It has to be exact the same name that we did in the code. So silo coal. Let's test that again. Also, we're very low on power, so we need to make backup power. Alright, we need to reset you for now. This is going to be changed because we're not going to do this every time to reset it. So let's try it again. And I have an idea how to do it. Oh, we need something extra in it. Okay, now it's working. Oh, thank you for the call, so we can put you to run. Alright, that's also working. Now, there is only one small problem with it. As soon as I touch this line, it won't work again because the channel says no. So we're going to do some coding for that so that it automatically resets and a manual reset. So I also want a switch. Switch and then IC housing. So let's put that one. Let's put it one over here. I had something in mind, so I'm just thinking about it. I think I'm going to do it here. Yep. IC code. here and there. We need a button. Oh, we can do it in the middle? No. Yeah, we can do it there. Want a button. Also, I need 2 consoles, 3 consoles. 3-timer console. Put you away. We can do a logic memory, or we cannot do it on IC chip, but I think I'm doing it on decrease to 1. Also logic memory. And beside that, we need some power on it. So I need a power controller. I want. Logic memory and a power controller. Alright. Maybe some cables. Can I do you maybe on 1 circuit? Then I need to place you correct. Mostly of the time I have you high. Oh, we can do it. Place you there for now. I need a logic memory. I need 1 hash display, so just normal console, and I want a display. Medium. Okay. Cables. Just... What color shall we do on cables? Do we have some? 28 to 27. Yeah, grab you. What color shall we give you? Just red? We keep you red. Why not? So you need to be connected. You need to be connected. You too. Now I'm a little bit... I can use you, or we can use you as intermediary. I think I'm gonna use the logic memory for a test. So every time when you interrupt this line, that's where's my channel, and it will give a wrong number. So it will give now the channel a NAN, and I'm gonna show you if I can show you. First I need a hash display. Hash display. So I'm gonna show you what's happening now by writing a little bit of code. And we need, of course, power. Need a little bit more heavy cable. That was the last heavy cable, never mind. You're there and you're there. Gonna take a look. You're still green, so no storm, I hope. Let's do a little bit of coding. So we have to the logic memory. Well, do a request again, why not? On D0. Then we have a display D1. And we have a button, and we're going to do it on D2. Maybe we need more, but for now, fine. So what we're going to do is loop and give it a yield. So we're going to load into R0 from that logic memory request again, and I think it's channel port 1 again. Yeah, that's 1, that's 0, but I want 1. So I'm going to read channel 0. We're going to set display setting R0 and jump loop for now. So I can show you something. Run you if we have power. Oh, you can stay on. So logic memory, this is the logic memory, and this is the let display medium. Okay. Put you on. Oh, it says state 0. Most of the time if I enter it, this should be NaN. Okay, you can see now I interrupted and it says NaN, not a number. And still, it says not a number. So this is the problem. As soon as you edit this line, it will give not a number. And that means the system is occupied, because I say when 0, the system is free. Yeah, you will give an error. So that is what I have now over here. It says NaN. So what are we going to do? We're going to grab U and we're going to edit it, and we're going to say when, so when equals R0 is NaN. Now I need to find the right one. Is that in here? No, not NaN. A constant, yes, but I need another NaN. Bn. Okay, branch to line. No, Bn. Branch to line B if A is not a number. Okay. So so this is it. So when R0 is equal to not a number, jump to, I'm gonna call say reset. And reset is nothing then set D0 1 channel 0, and we're just going to write straight a 0, and we're going to jump loop. So this does it automatically. Also I want one, that's why the button, I wanted eventually also doing manual. So load into R1. Now we're going to do it before the Bn. So load into R1 from the button. I want setting. And when BEQ R1 is 1, jump reset. So when R1 is equal to 1, so I press the button, it goes to reset, set the channel to 0, jumps loop. Export this. So you can still see it says NaN. As soon as I put this on, it will reset to a 0. No, we have an error in there. Line 8, unknown. Did I not set the button? Oh, you didn't set the button. Button, console, button. Let's try that again. And you can see it automatically resets to 0. Okay, there's one thing more that I want in this code. That's why I have the other setting. So load into R0, set display setting R0. Also set logic memory request setting R0. Confirm. Export. Now put you on. Then we are going to set you to logic memory. Done. So if I press the button, oh, we got a storm incoming. If we press the button, or let's say I want iron. Now let's do weak coal again. And then we're going to run pretty quick outside. You can see, and it should now give me the coffee. It's waiting. And as soon as we got the coal, it resets and it's done. So even if I now interrupt by just the cable, it will automatically reset to 0. And even if I press the button, it will automatically reset to 0. How much power do we have? Oh, I have enough power. Okay, I'm gonna keep you in my... That was a test. Also, there's another thing that's not pretty going well. That is my furnace code that I discovered. There's this one that needs something to be changed. I'm gonna grab it and do it inside because we're going to have a storm incoming. So my laptop doesn't get blown away while I'm doing this. So this is almost... It's not completely what it needs to be. Load needs to be over here, and then also deadline. I need to do that one. Needs to be there. You can be deleted. There needs to be one more line, BEQZ. So when R0 is equal to 0, it just has to jump loop, nothing else. Oh, wrong place. That needs to be after this line. So when there is nothing, it has to do a loop. Otherwise, it won't count the iron ore or the coal. I don't know. The iron ore it doesn't want to count it correct. So I'm going to do it like this. I need to go back to my loop when there is nothing in there. It's a very simple adjustment, but it's necessary. At least I hope this one works better. We'll test it out when he is emptying his stuff. Alright, that's all done. You need to bring me some heavy cables. We need a little bit more gold. Oh, we're out of gold almost. At least in my locker. You can print gold. First we need to drink. And to getting some food. It's 24 degrees in here. Pretty nice temperature. Ah, we don't have anything about food. How are you looking? Oh, we can... Okay, first seed. Seed and give me those potatoes. You can go back. We're on Mars, so we need to eat potatoes. Maybe helmet open will help. One corn seed. Let's plant you back. How is our oxygen? Rest is looking fine. So So that's that part. Now we need to set up backup power. What do we need? Oh, you are printing. That's a bummer. But we need some chutes. How much chutes do we have? 7. You can make me 10 more chutes. No. I don't need you. I need an IC housing. And I don't need that cable. The rest I probably need. Oh, I'm almost sure that I need it. Alright, you are going to be replaced. I want you over here. Like that, and we have a storm. Brilliant. Not what I opted for, but okay. Wrong moment. Thank you for the shirts. How are you doing? You're still printing. We can't place you back because we've done this so far. Check. Cables, come on. Heavy cables is what I need. The right color then. You can go to there. 2 more, then we have a stack full. Thank you. So, can you place you? No, we're gonna place you there. Then we go inside. Change. So we need some, I think, can we do it by grabbing you? Also, you need a battery, of course. And then can probably do on the same circuit as that one. Maybe that's not even a bad idea. I, of course, now I need to find the right connection. Oh, wait, you connected to there, but also I need you all the way over there. If I want to run my shits, is that possible? Oh yeah, that's possible. I think it's possible. Can we do it straight down and then run the cable around it? Now do a window over here. corner straight. That means we need to open some. Can always change this if needed, of course. So what I'm going to do is when the power of the batteries go below a certain percentage, I was thinking about 10%, something like that, we're going to get some we're going to run the backup generator. I need 10 more shoots, and I need for this also a logic IO. What we need. And what did I need more? Honestly, I have no idea. I need more. IC chip I got. Oh yeah, one powered chute. Split one. Need one over here. Then I need powered chutes. Or the rest of the chutes. Thank you. So we need to change this a little bit. Dang. So shoot straight, yes. Then I'm going up here again. And one. Maybe if I do it like, wait, I'm going to do it a little different. That's going to be corner but up. Like that, straight. You can go straight one more still. No, you need to go up one here. Then we need a corner here again. And a straight here, so we can add the power chute. That was left, what we constantly use. Other way, this way is correct. Like here. Some cables. Brilliant. And a welder. I was almost thinking to have a door over here, but... Or I need to move you and do a little loop. Oh, maybe even that is better. I think that is better. This is going to be too far out for what I want, so... Move you. Move you. Then, no, you're a wrench. I don't know why the other ones are then. So, left was it? Left. Like there. Cable other way. Then you open. No, I need you. So we can go kind of a little bit different still. Sometimes you have things in mind, but that needs to be changed, so let's do it like this. You needs to be a corner, and then you can go again, but I want you to be a corner. The cable we're just going to reroute again. Straight. Can I get a... we dropped too low. I cannot. Dang. Come on. Other side. Straight. Yes. You into welder. Brilliant. Yep, this is better. So put you to 0 to 1. Put you 1 already. And we're going to rename you. And we make it shoot generator. So we need a batch writer. I think I'm going to move you one more to the... Then we can have another IC next to it. Somewhere. If that is possible. I was hoping to have another IC next to it. But if I place you there and have a cable running there and the cable running there. Batch writer. But I can do the batch writer of course here. No, batch reader. Sorry. Batch reader. Oh, we can do the IC on the other side. Then I also want the batch reader on the other side. No. Let's do it like this. And... Sorry, need to interrupt this. So the batch reader is going to be easy. We are going to read the type that is station battery large. We're going to read average and then we're going to read the ratio. So we have still 25% total power still in the large batteries. Not that one counted. That one is going to move anyway. Then I can honestly do my IC over here. Honestly, I'm still not happy with the cabling. And the chutes how they run. Sticking too much out. Running here there. Maybe we need to do it one more back and go there and then run the cable otherwise. I think I'm going to do that. But we can, of course, grab you. Oh, we need to do the cables first next time. I see housing over there. Can I make it open again while we're opening? I'm not happy with my cabling. So, and shoots. Gonna change that again. I can be sometimes very picky with it, sorry about that, but that's how I do it. Yeah, why not back? So we need to I need to move this. If I do one over there, or we need to turn a generator. No. It's one or the other. You're running there in the middle, so... Oh, maybe I can keep you. Trying to get it straight and nice as possible as I can. Sorry. But that's how I roll it. Don't like it sticking out. Almost thinking to go up there, but... So, let's change this first. I thought I had a nice in my mind, but I didn't count on my cable for that. Shoot. So you're going to be up again. Then we can have you there. You need to go flip-flop left. Like that. Or we can do... Oh, maybe... I don't like these ones inside. But we can also do a right one. And then... just straight down again. Oh, that's even better. I can... I just like these. I could do it in the floor beneath, but I like them having up so I know where everything is. And I can control them if needed. Like this. The only thing is we need that cable again, but we can now do something like this. Hopefully we have enough cable. No, we don't. Bummer. Alright, not for you. Brilliant. Okay, generator's hooked up and everything else is hooked up. Let's grab our welder again and then we can do a little bit of coding. So, what we're going to do, I need an IC chip. Yeah, we have the batch reader and everything else is connected. So we are going to, oh, an IC chip. We're going to code the backup generator. Storm has just been, so okay. So we have a generator on, let's do D0. We have a batch reader. I like to shorten them. D1. Honestly, first we have going to do logic memory, or we can use the batch reader for it. Oh, I don't use the batch reader for it. Oh, I'm forgetting. We have a shoot junction. I just call it shoot. Shoot G junction. Do we have more? No. Loop. So first thing, oh, and yield. Don't forget the yield. Load into R0 from the bits reader. I want to read the setting. And then when is it select or RGG first? Okay. When R0, that needs to be R0 and that needs to be R2. Select. And this needs to be R2, R1. So what I'm going to do is using a compare. So when B is not equal, so B is 1, if I'm correct. Select. Oh. I need to type select here. So register B if A is non-zero, otherwise C. So that means, put you there. So B, if A, that's that one, is non-zero. So this is going to be 0.95, that needs 95%. And when otherwise is 0.1, is 10%. So when this one isn't a 1, so when this is a 0, it will do C. That means when oh wait, do I do it right now? Oh, and this one is going to be not this one. So this one is a 0, then it's going to be R2 in here. So this 0.1. So when the setting, the ratio what we're reading of the batteries is lower, if R2 of R0 is lower than R1, R2, then this is going to be 1. This is going to be 1. That is going to be then R2. So that means R0 is lower than 0.95. I hope I do it correctly, but we're going to say then also set the generator on just R0. Sorry, R1. So when R0 is lower than R2, this is going to be 1. And when this is going to be 1, he's going to choose that as 0.95, and that's going to be 0.95. Next thing is what we're going to do. We're going to load, but then in slot from R3. Into R3 from the generator. It's D0. Oh, generator. We can just do generator. I want slot deck in the 0, that's the import, and I want to have it occupied. With power, lower water. Power is no problem. Why I'm going to do this, I want to request automatically call. So what we're going to do is BEQZ. If R0 is R3 is equal to 0, I'm going to call it request. Otherwise, it's jump back to loop. So request. First thing we need to check if the I'm going to do yield first. So load into R4 from D1, and now I need to write port. And I need logic. Oh, batch reader. Sorry, a batch reader, logic IO, indeed. Connection data input, we need 0. We're going to read. No, we're not going to do the one D. Yeah, but yes, D1. Sorry, we need to read 0. We need to read the channel 0. When it's not equal to 0 or 4, he can go back to loop. Otherwise, he's going to set D1 0 channel 0. It's going to set the code for yeah, we need call. We're gonna yield set. Oh no, we're gonna, you don't need to yield. Then we're gonna wait, yield, load into R3 from the generator. We're going to read slot index and is occupied. So when it's equal to 0, so it's still not occupied, it needs to go to wait. And otherwise, when it's done, it needs to set that one. I'm gonna give it 3, so I say 0, and then jump loop again. So do it correct. So when it's equal to 0, so it means that we have no call in the slot anymore. It does a request. First it checks if there's nothing else. When there is, and when it's not equal to 0, it goes back to there. Then it will do the same. But when it's equal to 0, it means the channel is free. He gives the command, okay, give me call. And then he waits till it's occupied again. And then he's going to set the channel to 0. Okay, first thing we need to do also is not also set the shoot junction G, I made it, into mode 1. That means the branch can do its work. Now export. Put you in there, run you for 1 moment. So this is going to be the generator. Solid generator. Where are you? Generator solid fuel. This is the batch reader. And this is the shoot. Oh, digital flop. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, let's see what it does. Gives no errors. Did I put you on? Yes. Oh, you're in mode. No, there should be coal in there. We can check it. I cannot see it, but we can check it by, and you see coal. Yes, it worked. Also, the channel should be on 0 again, so it means it's free. So when this is going to be low, be 10%, we are 18 now, the generator will kick on. Meanwhile, we're going to get some power. And we're going to drink and eat. So, backup generator done, request for silos done. Next time we need to check the, but that's going to be for the next time. We need to check if the furnace did his work and everything else. If everything else has done his work, then we can then do the printers. See if we have enough ore in store of ingots in storage to set up the printers, or get that one going. But we did a backup power, we did a programming the silo, so yeah, it's nice. For now, thanks for watching and happy building.